Hello friends and fellow hype beasts, happy Monday and happy Essence sale. That's right, today is the first day of the Essence sale and like many of you, I'm very excited to spend some money on Essence. And today I'm just going to be giving you a quick little guide for everything that you need to know about shopping on the Essence sale because I have quite a bit of experience doing that. But before we get into any of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Because like I've been saying in the past videos, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away some crazy stuff, including this off-white long sleeve t-shirt. So if you want to see some crazy giveaways, make sure you hit that subscribe button so I can hit 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. But let's just get into it and get to some of the most frequently asked questions I see in my comments section of my Essence sale videos. The first one that a lot of people asked, and then I kind of drilled it into your heads, that Essence is legit, and I think now it's just a joke to ask if Essence is legit in my comment section. But yes, it is legit. Everything I've ever purchased from there is 100% legit. You can buy with confidence. Don't worry about that. Just worry about saving money. Speaking of saving money, Essence actually has a price protection guarantee on any of their sale items. So let's say you bought this pair of Balenciaga Triple S's for, I don't know, $900 in a size 41. And then a week and a half later, you see, oh, the same pair is on sale for $750 now. Well, you just shoot Essence an email with your order number, what items you want price adjusted, and then they'll just send you a refund of the difference. It's the best thing ever. I mean, the price protection does only last for 2 weeks, but usually every week there's price reductions on items. So if you get it like the beginning of a week, like on a Monday or a Tuesday, you have like 2 more price reduction possibilities for that price to go down. But please note that there is some stipulations to this, including that it has to be the exact same item. So if you bought this pair in a size 41, it has to be that exact same pair in the size 41 as well for the price reduction to be applied to your account. A lot of people also ask what specific brands go on sale. And for the most part, pretty much every brand goes on sale. Some like Canada Goose, most of the Montclair stuff, some Gucci stuff, some stuff like that doesn't go on sale. But let's just take a look in the app and see what's on sale today. So I'm just going to go through the app and browse the sale, which I haven't even... So on this page we have my wish list and we have my shopping bag. Obviously if you go into the wish list, you can see all the items you have saved. This is a great way to keep track of the items you want because as you're going to see later in the video, some items you really need to keep your eye on. Some stuff isn't on sale unfortunately on my list, but actually most of it is, which is fantastic. So when I'm personally using the sale, I like to set for myself what's called a must-buy point. That means if there's an item I really want, you just throw it in your bag or in your wish list. I prefer to throw it in my bag if it's something I really want so I can get quick access to it because, I mean, as you're seeing me scroll through my wish list, I have a lot of items saved. So if you save it in your bag, you can just put the specific items that you really, really want. And then as you're scrolling through, you can see, like here for example, this Balenciaga blue denim logo jacket, even though that one's not on sale, under it says 1 item left. So the way that the item left works is it will tell you, let's see if I can find one with 2 items left. Okay, my wish list here, I have the Balenciaga black Paris flag hoodie in a size large, and it just told me on the wish list page that there's 2 items left. So what that means, if you go into and click on add to wish list, it will say the amount of items left for each given size. So in this case there's 2 mediums left and 2 larges left. So that's like, it's getting there. Like if that's what's being shown, unless it's like a Sunday night and the reduction's about to happen again, keep that in mind, that reductions will happen each week, usually on the Monday, but that doesn't mean that the item you want will be reduced. It just means that on a weekly basis, items do get reduced. Sometimes it doesn't start the first week, usually the second week they start reducing it and it goes up to 60, 70, and sometimes even higher % off. So that's the 2 items left. So that would be like, check it constantly. If that's an item you really want, keep checking it, just in case someone else decides to purchase one and there's only 1 left. Okay, so we have these off-white brown nylon track pants and there's only 1 left. So if you look, oh, there's a lot of only 1 left. There's a 1 small left, 1 large left, 1 double XL. So if this is an item I really want, at this point, this is the must-buy point. Because at any point someone else could log in and purchase that item, and then your size is gone forever. Speaking from experience, if there's something you really want, just buy it. If you're scared that the price might go down a little bit, just buy it because you do have that 2-week price protection guarantee, but don't wait. Because more often than not, the item you're waiting for will be sold. And then you are left without that item, and you are just left with the remorse and the deep, deep sadness of knowing that you missed out on a great item on sale. Alright, so now let's discuss the shipping. We're in my shopping bag right now. Let's just click on go to checkout, and then you will see that it will have the delivery option. So if you click on that, you either have the free option, which is a 7-day standard shipping, or you have the 1-day priority shipping. In this case, it's 10 Canadian dollars. I always recommend using the priority shipping. Another thing that I need to say is Essence does ship from Canada. That means if you live in Canada, you have to pay no import taxes. That's why this sale is so great for us Canadians. But keep that in mind if you live in the States or anywhere else, depending on whatever your country's import tax laws are, you will probably be held responsible for the import taxes. And that's pretty much it, honestly. As I've said, the prices will go down as the sale continues, but keep in mind that obviously the more high priority items, as I like to consider them, will be the first ones to go. Like this morning already, I've seen about 3 pairs of Balenciagas be sold out, and okay, well, they removed them from the page, so I can't show you. But yeah, items will sell out, especially ones like that, like the big price point items with big discounts. Because where else are you going to find a pair of Balenciaga Triple S's on sale other than the Essence sale? Nowhere, because Balenciaga never has sales. Other than that, I hope that you are able to get all the items that you want at a steal of a deal, because, you know, that's what we all want on this Essence sale, right? But like I said, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so I can start giving you some really hype items. And just once again, good luck on the Essence sale. May the odds be ever in your favor. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like. And down in the comment section below, tell me what you're trying to pick up. And if you have any other additional questions, leave them down there as well. But yeah, I will catch you next week. But until then, peace.